Hey folks, I'm doing these card opening things because I'm injured and I am bored. This is a top baseball series 2021. Comes with 40 cards. They contain only 30 or 38 cards. That's kind of trickery right there. This is the bomb part. Has one solo. Could be a great player in the future. Went the ranks young, really in his early 20s. Went to Brady was young enough, great drink to go to the World Series. That's in his young career. A lot of players, a lot of Hall of Famers never win a chance to go to the World Series. So we're open this package, trying not to damage it. I got an autograph card from him, so see what kind of cards they have. I'm in Chico right now, kind of sucks with baseball cards. When I play like baseball cards, is in Target. So I'm going to talk about cards that I like or interesting. So mostly a Red Sox Giants fans. I like traveling different stadiums or go down to concerts. I'm trying not to stay in one place too long, but it's life too boring. Yeah, here's the White Sox team with their stats on one side. Pull hand wash. Oh, how cute. And this one comes with a checklist for the Blue Jays. But they played in Buffalo last year. They can play Toronto. No. We got Cursor, Ghostwriter. So yeah, it kind of shows up as, I don't want to show his stats. I think he showed one of his games for Hall of Famer. For keep it safe. When he shows like his stat for that one game. Okay, so if he feature Lewis Robert, outfielder for the White Sox. You can say, 11 home runs. Could be a future star right there. Junior's just playing. Junior's, we don't see anything really interesting right now. There's like a bunch of these cards again. Like they're bagging, the juniors bagging a fight or something. I'm not sure what that's about. Yeah, I got on YouTube to find out. Service, Coast Guard service, doing some maybe. He donated like $85,000 to cover that thing. Yeah, huge tax break. That's a different pile for something different about to say. No. Oh, Giants. Getting a lot of cards. Got Red Sox. Bobby, but it looks like his rookie card. Hope I go some games this year. Want to get better. Not be injured. So I got some autographs. A little different this time. Josh Bell. Autograph. Kind of cool in the background. No, I don't know much about this guy. Third baseman. This. I had this card before. Future Hall of Famer. Team. I like this guy a lot. He's with the Dodgers now. Free agency. Yeah. He's been a good player. He's playing in the division. Got this guy's rookie card again. With the Dodgers. This guy, interesting kick. Reminds me of a Giants, former Giants player in the 60s. Kind of big old kick. Like his rookie card. Garcia. That's Ron gave to me his cards. Aaron Judge, local boy from this guy from Stockton, or near Stockton. My nephew. Coach, and of course, this guy. Mike Gonzalez, but Calz's grandson. Maybe his partner played baseball. So that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe. This is a unique channel. We try different things each time, make the channel more unique and special for you people. Let me know what you think. We do ghost hunting. We're gonna do Fuji ghost hunting, do 360 cameras and stuff like that, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Bye.